interviews of people who are going to the school with the new Water Fountain News Channel 33, Season 1, Episode 6. Okay, Mr. Bluebird, I had an interview with you. What do you think about this new fountain? What do you think? I'm thirsty.
I try to find a better life somewhere far away from
Okay.
here, but I need you
We're
to
gonna
be
interview Mr. Angry Bird Redbird.
but I won't
Is that
be afraid just because you don't need me. I will not be ashamed just because you don't believe in anything that I say. Now I turn and I walk up from you. I won't fade away.
Sorry, it sucks a lot.
Fade away.
You don't like it? No, it sucks. Oh.
I find you down the road that I have walked.
Yellow Bird, what do you think about this one?
You're alone.
Pretty cool. What do you think? I know.
You try to
You're angry?
find a
That's what
better
you said.
life somewhere far away from here,
Angry. What?
but I need you to be.
Okay, Angry Dog. I'll interview you.
But I won't be afraid just because you don't need me. I will not
Okay, and,
be ashamed just because you don't believe in
Oh, this just
anything
no.
that I say.
No nice.
Now I turn and I walk up.
I hope you enjoyed the video.